Microwave double beeps and will not start cooking. Messages say open/close door and press start. Also, light does not go on.
What's the microwave's make and model? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
KitchenAid KMHS 120S4 manufactured October 2016.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if it's a quick fix.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I am sorry nobody has gotten back to you yet. Are you still needing help with this?
I do. Here's what happens. Open the door, place item on glass, close door, press cook time, press 45, random, press start. Microwave then double beeps, does not activate. Instructions say open/close door. When door is opened, it instructs, press start. Microwave then instructs, open/close door. Then press cook time, press 20, press start. The process is then repeated. Randomly if IT actually cooks, when item is removed, and remains on screen until cancel is pressed. Interior light does not always come on. Should I just persevere till it totally stops working? It looks like this microwave is now randomly cooking today. I don't think there's anything more to be done. Thanks for at least contacting me. I previously received a message stating there was no resolution available. Thank you, Rusty.
Thank you. One of the door switches is intermittent or the latch may be loose and not holding the switches tight so they are actuated properly when the door is closed. This is a very common problem and will likely require the primary door switch be replaced. If you would like instructions to do so, please let me know. The switches are changed right from the front and little disassembly is required.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.